Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay, this is my channel Make Money with Jay, which is me. I have not been here for almost a month. I've not uploaded, guys. I've been very busy on my Christmas brand, but I kind of got deflated from a little bit of the online world because my movies, games beyond YouTube channel keeps getting rejected. I keep trying to get it monetized. It's been monetized for years, yeah, but lately it keeps getting demonetized. I delete loads of my videos. It keeps saying I'm using like repetitive content, which I'm not. I'm making the videos like myself. I'm speaking in them, so I don't know where I'm going wrong. It's kind of deflating because not only is my YouTube channel got demonetized, I'm not earning money from that. My Amazon KDP account got suspended, which I was very gutted. I didn't think I'd get it back. The good news is I got it back, but what I did, guys, is apparently I used the word World Cup in one of my books, and I know it's copyrighted. I made a mistake and they blocked that. They didn't let me publish that book, and then this was on the Friday. They blocked the book, and then on the Monday I got up and I had an email saying my account's been suspended, and they said I could appeal to it, and so I did. And then about 2 or 3 days later, maybe a week later it could have been, I got an email saying they've reinstated my accounts to go through. So what I did then, I went through, and anything what had a slight copyright, which I didn't think I had at the time, I just deleted it just in case, guys. So I've got my account back. So that's a bit of good news. But at the time, my YouTube channel got demonetized, and my KDP account got suspended. So that was 2 income. So kind of got deflated. Kind of thought, what's the point? But I carried on anyway with my website and my Christmas channel, my Christmas YouTube channel, and yeah, they've been making me money, and so is my Etsy store. So in the next couple of videos, guys, I'll go over my income reports for what I've been earning on these, guys. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know why I've been away, and I'm back, guys, hopefully. So comment below if you've experienced any of these. Have you got a YouTube channel? Has it got demonetized? Have you got monetized? Have you got are you making any other ways of making money online? Which is another thing, guys. It's always better to not have your eggs in one basket. They all keep saying it, don't they? So now spread it out, guys. So if you do get demonetized or you do get your account closed, you've still got other ways of making money. Yeah, like I did with my website and with my Etsy store. But now I've got the KDP back, and I'm working on lots more books. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, guys, goodbye.